Bilge pumps are a foundational safety and maintenance accessory for any vessel. They protect engines, electronics, and cabins from accumulating water, which can escalate into stability issues and hull damage if left untreated. In this review, I test and compare 5 12V bilge pumps that span a price range from budget to premium.
List number 1. Seaflow 06 Series Automatic Submersible Bilge Pump. Seaflow's SFBP1 G750-06 combines a compact 12-volt pump with an integrated float switch. At 750 GPH, it sits in the middle of the commercial off-the-shelf bilge pumps, offering a balance of headroom and power for small to mid-sized craft. The unit uses a 5-blade impeller and includes a snap-off strainer and an 18 AWG leads with a 3-foot lead for wiring. The product is backed by a 4-year warranty, which is notably strong in this category and signals Seaflow's confidence in long-term reliability. Performance-wise, 750 GPH translates to about 12.5 GPM, with a maximum pumping height around 8.2 feet. The integrated float switch simplifies installation by removing the need for a separate switch, and the removable base with a snap-off strainer makes routine maintenance straightforward. The 3/4-inch outlet is common in marine plumbing, easing hose compatibility. However, at higher lift or in very dirty bilges, the 5-blade impeller may still require periodic cleaning to maintain peak flow. The unit's polypropylene housing offers adequate corrosion resistance for typical saltwater environments, but some users may opt for a more robust metal-bodied pump for long-term durability in aggressive conditions.
List number 2. Automatic Submersible Boat Bilge Water Pump. 12V, 1100 GPH auto with float switch, Max Zone's A02111001 model offers a higher flow rating of 1100 GPH and includes a built-in float switch for automatic operation. The 1 1/8 inch outlet provides a larger discharge path, which can reduce the likelihood of clogging and improve efficiency in dirty bilges. The unit features a compact form factor and relies on an internal reed switch system for automatic control, with a 1-meter lead length for flexible installation. Performance-wise, the pump can deliver roughly 18.3 GPM with a practical head suitable for typical bilge scenarios. The auto switch behavior is convenient as it eliminates the need for a separate float switch, and the integrated electronics help prevent nuisance trips. Users should ensure the power supply can deliver adequate current. Max Zone specifies 3.8A running current, and that the pump's inlet remains clean to prevent debris-induced stalls. The 1 1/8 inch outlet is a plus for hose compatibility, but the overall assembly may be bulkier than smaller 3/4 inch variants. Durability is decent for its price bracket, though long-term salt spray exposure should be considered.
List number 3. 12-volt 1100 GPH Boat Bilge Water Pump. LX Yangi bundles a 12-volt 1100 GPH bilge pump with a complete plumbing kit, including a 6.5-foot hose, clamps, a through-hole fitting, and instruction. This offering emphasizes value through inclusivity. You get hoses, clamps, and hardware in the package, reducing the need to source components separately. The device is described as ABS-based with an emphasis on torsion-resistant hose design, which can improve long-term reliability in dynamic bilge environments. Performance-wise, the kit targets 1100 GPH with a 12-volt supply, which aligns with typical expectations for mid-sized boats. The included hose and fittings ease retrofits and reduce installation friction. The design highlights anti-vibration and anti-torsion features, which help maintain pump performance and reduce wear. On the downside, the emphasis on a bundled kit means user expectations should consider component compatibility with existing hoses and fittings, and the claim of motor protection during short, dry running.
List number 4. Submersible Boat Bilge Water Pump, 12V 1100 GPH non-automatic. Max Zone's budget-friendly non-automatic 1100 GPH pump trades automation for cost savings.
At $12.99, it targets users who prefer to add their own float switch or rely on manual control. The unit advertises a 13-foot head and an 1.8" outlet, which is competitive for its price. The pump's cooling and water-cooled design claims to extend life in marine applications while remaining compact. Performance-wise, the 1100 GPH rating translates to 18.3 GPM on paper, but without an integrated float, duty cycles depend entirely on user action or external controls. For smaller boats with light water loads, this pump can be an economical option, provided the user installs a reliable external float switch. The lower price point makes routine maintenance critical, as debris management and pre-filtering will be essential to prevent clogging. Durability seems acceptable within the ABS plastic construction, but the lack of automatic control means more hands-on operation.
List number 5. 12-volt 1100 GPH boat bilge water pump. Jin Yoon matches Max Zone with a bundled 1100 GPH kit that includes hoses and clamps, presenting a complete package for installers who want a ready-to-mount solution. The kit emphasizes oil, solvent, and chemical resistance, with a corrosion-resistant ABS housing and a design intended to minimize vibration. The packaging is aimed at simplifying both new installs and retrofits for a variety of vessels. Performance-wise, this is a 12-volt 1100 GPH setup with the same general headroom as other and 1/1/8" outlet units. The included components, hoses, clamps, and through-hull fitting reduce sourcing friction for a quick install. The snap-lock filter base and easy clean base mirror Seaflow's maintenance-friendly approach, though durability in saltwater should be monitored as with most plastic-bodied pumps. The broad compatibility and complete kit make it a strong value proposition for budget-conscious buyers who still want a robust discharge capacity.